Before we begin, a quick favor. Less than 2% of our viewers are subscribers. If you love aviation, hitting that subscribe button helps more than you know. Subscribers are the icing on the cake for this channel's mission to educate, preserve, and inspire through the incredible stories of flight. Thanks for being part of it. Now, let's get into this Invader, Lady Liberty. The Douglas Invader was a fast, powerful, and versatile ground attack bomber developed by the Douglas Aircraft Company during World War II. Designed by Ed Heinemann, it first flew in 1942 and quickly earned a reputation for its speed, durability, and heavy armament. It was powered by two Pratt & Whitney R2800 double Wasp radial engines, each producing 2,000 horsepower, the same engines found in other legendary aircraft like the P-47 Thunderbolt and F-6F Hellcat. Its speed and firepower quickly earned it a reputation among Allied forces. One remarkable incident occurred on February 19, 1945, when an A-26 crew successfully engaged and downed a German Messerschmitt Me-262 jet fighter over France, a testament to the Invader's capabilities against advanced enemy aircraft. The Invader was among the first U.S. aircraft to see action in Korea, flying its initial combat missions in June 1950. Throughout the war, crews conducted over 60,000 sorties, targeting enemy supply lines and infrastructure. Their efforts resulted in the destruction of more than 38,500 vehicles and 3,700 railway cars. Notably, on September 14, 1951, Captain John S. Walmsley, Jr. illuminated an enemy train with his aircraft's spotlight, allowing accompanying bombers to destroy the target. Tragically, his aircraft was shot down during the mission, and he was posthumously awarded the Medal of Honor for his valor. One of the most historically significant surviving examples is Lady Liberty. Built in early 1944, she is the oldest flying A-26 Invader in the world today. After being accepted into service in August 1944, Lady Liberty was deployed to England. She flew night interdiction missions over Germany in the final months of the war, painted in black for low visibility operations. And now turn your volume up. We will now watch the oldest airworthy Douglas Invader in existence today take flight into the blue skies of Hutchison, Kansas. Now for one last moment in history, for our Lady Liberty appearance at the 2025 Hutchison Regional Airport Fly-in and Open House, our Invader flies past us in a grand farewell. Until next time, Wingspan adventurers, this is Nate saying so long, and thank you for being a part of our aviation adventures.